I got this John, and another John that's over there.
This John. Not really sure what it does, but you're gonna find out if you watch the video.
Everybody knows the Dodge Demon that came out in 2018 had the headlight hollowed out so more air can go to the intake. 2018 Dodge did the same exact thing, but less cool with the Charger, where they actually made this grill functional, where this snorkel is functional. That was only for the Hellcats. Eventually, the Hellcats got a different base, and we started putting this grill on the Scat Packs. When this grill was on the Scat Packs, it was no longer ram air. This was just a hole. Problem is, the Hellcats that did get this treatment with that grill had a closed airbox because there was no Charger at the time that had ram air from the hood. So, if you wanted to have ram air from this snorkel, you would need that. Dodge only makes one airbox that actually connects to from this snorkel and from up top. And that's the Demon airbox.
Wow. Is that expensive?
It's like $6 or $7.
Oh. Well,
but
that's convenient.
Eventually...
Let me just reach down here. Oh my god.
Dude, his pom-pom is touching your balls. Yeah.
It's really cold. This is actually warming me up.
Eventually, I do want a ram air hood, which is the Redeye hood.
Yep.
Only the Redeyes have ram air. So I'm not going to get rid of this airbox. This airbox has a cutout, kind of, if you can see it.
Oh yeah, we totally can.
No, right here.
This guy, right?
Yeah. That has a cutout to add the snorkel.
And
that's what this is for.
Oh, yeah.
But that's only for the Challenger. I have no idea if it's going to work on my car.
Well, let's think about it.
This is supposed to snap in to the airbox. Physically snap in. It doesn't do that. This is silicone. I'm going to use a band clamp.
What are your thoughts on band clamps?
I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what the fuck a band clamp is.
Just a clamp.
Wait, is that just like the metal clamps that you,
A worm clamp?
Worm clamps, band clamps.
Okay.
So he's using a worm clamp.
Alright,
Worm
my
clamp.
thoughts. It's gonna have to work.
Oh yeah.
I
couldn't
We already got the stuff. It's gonna have to work. It's gonna work no matter
This is
what.
like $200 worth of plastic and silicone.
It's gonna work.
Yeah.
It's gonna work, and if it's not, we're gonna make it work.
Well, it's gonna have to work.
Last time I spent...
it's gonna work.
Yeah, listen.
No matter what.
This is gonna get interesting.
Yeah.
So those tubes are gonna have to run through this hole to that cutout right there.
And last time I spent $200 on silicone, I did make it happen.
What was that? What was that you made happen?
Subscribe to the Booost OnlyFans and you'll be able to find out.
Oh my god.
What do we gotta start doing, John?
We have to remove this front fascia! Also, this is not a how-to video. If you guys decide to do this on your 2012 F-150, we're not responsible. If you try to do this on your 2008 Camry, we are.
Now, what about the greatest engine of all time when they want to work on their cars, the 6.2?
Pause.
We need more light. That's not enough. Yo, by the way, these are new lights right here. Thank you, Ty.
Also, the shop didn't have worm clamps that were bigger than this, so I got two of them. We're gonna have to connect them.
Hopefully this goes a lot faster than the Camaro front rear bumper, because that took like 40 minutes to get the fucking bumper off.
So the cool thing about Dodge is you can actually strip every single bolt because it's not my car.
Is that an Easter egg? Is that a Dodge Easter egg?
Yeah.
It's a Dodge Easter egg.
So I got this little pan, right, for the engine belly. Every bolt is stripped.
Deadass?
What?
No, it's not.
Yeah, the Easter egg doesn't apply to this one, does it?
Yeah, it's not. God damn it, dude. This is... Yeah, do you have a punch, actually?
No, this is the Easter egg. Pay attention to this.
Dude, I think this is the wrong size.
I also think you might be on something.
I am on something. Crack!
What is going on here?
Dude, what's going on here?
Yo, it's not our car. You seem disappointed. Yeah. And the thing is off.
How the fuck is this gonna work? This doesn't make any goddamn
Install
sense.
it backwards so you can get that hole in the front. So it already has a hole in there. Oh yeah, he's gonna put it in there. He's putting it in there. Oh yeah? He's squishing it in there. John. John. John, it looks so good.
So, you are a freak!
Are you gonna have to drill them?
Yeah, we're gonna need a drill, dude.
So, we had to drill holes.
We still gotta do 3 more.
Yeah, we have a lot more holes, but we had to drill a hole. We got a lot more holes to drill.
And we didn't have a drill bit. We used wood screws.
Yep. We were trying to get this piece to fit. And so, we gotta make our own bowl holes, and that's what we're doing. John is sanding it down very aggressively.
Listen, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not like this goes to your air filter or anything. So, you know what? Get as much dust in there as possible. Fuck, it's not my car. Now listen, this is not a show car by any means. It's actually not even a fast car. This is kind of just a car at this point, but you know.
Looking good, man. Looking good. That's actually on there. Good. So what's next, John? We just got that together. We got the little silicone duct jaunt.
Look good.
So, an hour and a half later, the bumper's finally off. Don't even ask. Is this all Boost is? We just remove bumpers and then put them back on
Yeah,
for fun?
apparently.
Do you think he needs a coolant flush? Let me know in the comments if you think John needs a coolant flush.
Would assume this bitch goes here. Dude,
Dude, what?
we're gonna have to get a fucking saw.
A saw?
I don't know.
Has this been done before?
Nope.
Body shop shit.
I'm gonna get this shit out. How loose is this thing now?
It's very loose, dude. I'll show you something looser.
What?
Dude, I'm not taking off this fucking crash bar.
Ow!
That actually hurt.
Yeah.
Dude, well, if this doesn't work with my fucking headlights, it's actually a very high possibility.
This is not even funny. Why would you laugh?
It's not.
Why would you
get it.
laugh?
So, theoretically speaking.
Wait a minute. That looks perfect.
Yeah, the only thing is,
Daddy, please.
this is a lot longer.
What? So what is?
Daddy, please me.
That's so going in.
No.
At least it looks cool for right now.
Do I just fucking cut this? So, but you see the problem, correct? Yeah, sure.
Yes, I do see the
So
problem.
how cool would it
You
be?
might just have to cut it, to be honest.
Dude, how cool would it be if I just poke the fucking hole in my ride? Alright, someone hand me a fucking saw.
What kind
Oh
of
wait,
saw
there's a
do you want?
handsaw right here.
There's several. There's 2 right there.
Dude, I'm
You're gonna fuck yourself up
I know.
so bad.
I'm trying. Wait, hand me a fucking dog. It's rubber. Alright, so we're gonna cut this bitch right here with the fucking worst pair of dugs I've ever seen in my life.
Hey man, they're trying. There we go.
Ty, we're gonna have to zip tie this out.
That's fine.
Because I'm looking at it, there's not.
Do you have zip ties? Because I have some, but not a lot.
Beat-ups has zip ties.
I heard they have a sale going on right now.
Guys, it's not even funny, guys. It's my car.
That's actually exactly
Yeah,
why it's
chill.
funny.
Dude, it's actually a perfect spot to zip tie, right here. So now.
I saw the vision. I'm seeing the vision.
Ty, you think it's gonna be a big deal if there's no fucking lip here?
Are you talking about with the staples running down it? I don't think so, but I see.
But they're there for a fucking reason.
Are they? Yeah, they probably just direct air smoother into the rad. But you're probably gonna have some flopping around. Like air's probably gonna get trapped back there, if I had to guess.
Well, where the fuck's the headlight? You know what? I should make sure that thing fit before I cut this bitch. See
Oh,
that?
this guy.
I should make sure that fucking shit.
This guy.
Let me see it.
Looks like a horn.
I think it goes this way. Dude, we have to take out the goddamn headlight. And if that's the case, dude, I'm fucking going home. Headlight time!
No, no.
It's
I
only
know
a
what
few
you gotta do.
minutes.
You just gotta take this tag off and it'll fit.
You jerk off.
Alright. So now we will go through here. Alright, just.
How does it stay in though?
Brilliant. You talking about that? That end?
Like, how does this stay into that?
Well, I assume that it's gonna wedge into that tube and then
I guess it won't move.
hold it up against. We could always like super glue it.
Okay, that's not secure. Now, I'm gonna put this thing in, but this is not gonna fit like this, how it's supposed to.
Why not?
Because it's not meant for it. Alright, we're gonna have to cut this bit.
You're gonna have to cut. You're gonna cut that?
Yeah, you have to. See how much for sale far this bitch sticks out? Okay. So, this bitch is going to have to get cut. Alright, this bitch isn't even close to fit in. Cool! I'm gonna take this whole fucking thing out.
You have to get a different airbox, possibly?
Yeah. There's no shot it's gonna fucking fit. Yeah, this is too high. That might be my only fucking... Look.
Yeah, it has...
Alright, it's my ideology. I don't know what to do.
How did we end up here? Why did you think that you were able to do this?
The Demon, 2018 Demon, and the Hellcat Redeye Charger has the same airbox.
Mm-hmm.
But it's only on the Redeye. Jailbreak, actually.
Mm-hmm.
The Demon uses the air intake, so the hole for these intakes are the same spot.
Mm-hmm.
The Demon intake goes from the headlight to the intake for their airbox. Same thing for the Charger and its snorkel. Mm-hmm. It goes into the same exact spot. I don't actually know why this is not working unless I'm doing something retarded.
So that technically is for a Challenger headlight.
This is, yeah.
It looks like the headlight hole is here, and you're trying to put it here?
Okay, because...
Just Challenger headlight swap it.
Honestly, I'm going to be completely honest. I should not have cut that.
No. I didn't think about that. We could plastic weld it. That is an option.
What's
up, guys? This sucks, I think. We have a whole car apart. A distraught John. Little Asian guy. We don't know what's going on. We're close. Really close, but it's just slightly off. That bracket on the bottom there doesn't quite line up with that tab right there.
No, well, so the tab will line up. Problem isn't that this isn't going to line up, because that lines up perfectly. The problem is, on this airbox, this cutout is too high.
Yes, it needs to be like 2 inches lower.
Yeah.
The issue then becomes you have to get the Redeye airbox, but then we don't know if it's going to fit his intake. Therefore, we don't know if the intake is going to fit onto the throttle body. Therefore, we don't know if the throttle body is going to fit onto the intake manifold. Therefore, he has to motor swap it. Isn't that right?
Yeah, so I'm trying to think.
60 swap.
Go follow us on Instagram.
Play that music.
Dude, this doesn't... Dude, no, we're gonna go back together. But this doesn't make any fucking sense to me. And it's genuinely pissing me the fuck off. Because what would this hole even fit? You know what I mean? That hole, that ass wouldn't fit anything. Yeah, I cut this for no fucking reason. We're gonna put it back.
Alright, so we have put the front
hurting my arm.
bumper back on. We are working on the fenders now. Fender liner! We're working on the fender liner right now. Yeah, we got places to be, but we got a lot of time. It's, what time did we start?
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, it's 10:30. So, we will update you guys when, everything else happens. Rev up those fryers, because I sure am hungry. I'm gonna get my boy right.
Where'd the other one go?
I'm gonna wash this front bumper and the engine bay, but not the rest of the car.
Like a shoe cleaner in the mall.
Yeah, I'll clean your one shoe, but you gotta pay for the other.
Better rev up those fryers.
Did you ever connect that headlight?
I didn't get there yet. That's actually where I'm at right now.
Wait, no.
Dude, we have to take the bumper off and die.
He never... Did you connect it when we put it on this? Oh, wait, I was on this side.
Headlight?
Yeah, remember when he unplugged it?
Underneath it.
You're not talking about the side marker, are you?
No.
I've not touched any connectors.
The one that you unplugged? Bro, wait, hold up. You don't have to take off the bumper for that.
Dude,
right?
Ty.
You don't have to take off the bumper for that, right?
Ty.
No, we don't. I just looked at the harness.
No, there's one inside the fucking bumper, dude. You can't get to it. It's where that connects from the bottom.
That was the one that was hanging off on the sides. 12:30.
Oh, fuck with you.
Bro, I know you are. I'm like sitting here trying to think about it. I'm like, there was no fucking connect. Why is you so
Better rev up
close?
those fryers. Alright, now we just gotta get that one side done, and then we will update you guys.
It didn't work. So we had a couple problems. The airbox I currently have, the opening is too high for the intake to fit. So the other thing was we did cut a panel in half, but yeah.
And drill some holes.
Yeah. I think in the future, I'm probably just going to buy more parts and then take this off again and then realize I fucked myself up again. So, Fortnite Battle Pass. We are going to put this video out. The reason why we're going to put this out is to be as realistic as possible with you guys. We got here, we started filming at 7:30. It's currently 11 o'clock, meaning that we were here for 2.5 hours. No, 3.5 hours doing this, and it didn't work, alright? So realistically speaking, not everything you have an idea for is going to work.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but you don't have to.
Ground bolt for their car, like off to the side or something.
Yeah, that's how mine is.
Yeah, the ground bolt's just right here, so you can use it as a fucking butt plug.
Oh wow, yeah.
That's nice.
That's just chilling there.
And it's awfully large.
It is. That is really. Here's my hand for reference, and I got little hands, but that's I mean that's like massive. That's like more than you could ask for, honestly.
Yeah.
It's about average.
Also, when we take this out, we're probably going to see a shit ton of oil in my air filter.
You think so?
Oh no, I'm 100% sure.
No, we're not.
You got the Mopar OE air filter, so that's
No,
nice.
I just put a sticker there. I actually stole it off of it.
That's right
Don't
on brand.
say.
That is right on brand. I've lost the plot. I don't actually know. You ham boning? Are you?